Have you ever experienced a moment so unexpectedly perfect it felt orchestrated by an unseen hand? Maybe you bumped into a long-lost friend right when you needed support. Perhaps a book fell from a shelf, revealing the exact answer you sought. These are synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that whisper of a deeper cosmic connection. Imagine strolling through a bustling city park. Amidst the vibrant chaos, your gaze locks with a stranger's. Their eyes hold a familiar warmth, sparking a sense of recognition. You dismiss it as a trick of the light, but later that day you cross paths again, this time at a local bookstore. The encounter leaves you with an uncanny feeling, a sense that something extraordinary is unfolding. These seemingly random events, when acknowledged and explored, often reveal a profound significance. They can guide us towards our true purpose, connect us with kindred spirits, or provide the missing piece to a puzzle we've been grappling with. Synchronicities are the universe's way of nudging us in the right direction, reminding us that we are part of a grand, interconnected dance. By paying attention to these synchronicities, we open ourselves to a world of possibilities, a realm where magic and meaning intertwine. These moments are not mere coincidences, but rather cosmic winks, urging us to awaken to the extraordinary nature of our existence. Synchronicities are like whispers from the universe, gentle nudges guiding us toward our highest potential. They often appear in subtle ways: a song on the radio that perfectly captures our current emotion, a chance encounter with someone who offers the insight we need, or a sudden intuitive knowing that leads us to make a life-altering decision. These are not mere coincidences, but rather meaningful connections orchestrated by a force beyond our conscious awareness. They are the universe's way of communicating with us, offering guidance, support, and reassurance on our journey. To recognize synchronicities, we must cultivate a sense of presence and awareness in our daily lives. We must learn to listen to our intuition, that inner voice that speaks to us in whispers and hunches. Often, synchronicities appear when we least expect them, disguised as ordinary events. By approaching life with a sense of wonder and openness, we create space for these magical moments to unfold. The more we pay attention to these synchronicities, the more frequently they seem to occur, creating a positive feedback loop that amplifies their impact on our lives. Renowned neuroscientist and author Dr. Joe Dispenza offers profound insights into the nature of synchronicities and their role in our lives. He suggests that our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs create an energy field that interacts with the quantum field of infinite possibilities. When we align our thoughts, feelings, and actions with our deepest desires and intentions, we emit a powerful, energetic frequency that attracts corresponding experiences into our reality. In essence, we become magnets for synchronicities that support our growth and evolution. Dr. Dispenza emphasizes the importance of shifting our internal state of being to create lasting change in our external reality. By cultivating positive emotions, such as gratitude, joy, and love, we raise our vibration and align ourselves with the frequency of abundance, well-being, and meaningful coincidences. Through consistent practices like meditation and visualization, we can rewire our brains and create new neural pathways that support a more harmonious and fulfilling life experience. As we become more conscious creators of our reality, we open ourselves to a world where synchronicities become the norm, guiding us towards our highest potential. Synchronicities often arise from a harmonious interplay between our heart and mind. When our thoughts are aligned with our deepest desires and our actions are guided by love and compassion, we create a powerful magnetic field that attracts synchronicities into our lives. The heart, often referred to as the seat of our intuition, plays a crucial role in recognizing and interpreting these cosmic whispers. It speaks to us in a language beyond words, guiding us towards experiences and connections that resonate with our soul's purpose. When we learn to listen to our heart's wisdom and trust our intuition, we open ourselves to a world of infinite possibilities. We begin to see the interconnectedness of all things and recognize the synchronicities that guide us towards our highest good. By cultivating a deep connection with our heart center, we tap into a wellspring of wisdom, guidance, and love that can transform our lives in profound ways. Synchronicities become signposts on our journey, reminding us that we are always guided, supported, and loved.